Let's cut to the chase. You've been running heavy equipment for decades. You know what a skid steer is supposed to sound, smell, and feel like.
Most of the duties for a heavy equipment operator are maintaining the equipment you are operating.
So, meet the Bobcat T7X. And before you roll your eyes at an all-electric track loader, let's look under the hood. We're talking 100 horsepower and instantaneous torque that is up to 3 times greater than that diesel rig you're sitting in right now. It gives you full torque at 0 RPM. Notice something missing? There are absolutely no hydraulics on this machine. That means no blown lines to fix in the mud, no hydraulic fluid leaks, and 0 horsepower lag when you're trying to drive, lift, and tilt all at the same time. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the battery. I know you've seen the guys on the forums saying it only gives you about 4 hours of runtime if you're running it hard. And that's fair, but here's the reality. With Bobcat's intelligent power management, it only uses juice when you are actively working. For a standard job site, that gives you up to 6 hours of continuous runtime or a full day of intermittent use. And to fully recharge it overnight, it costs you about $12 in electricity. Here is where it actually pays off. The T7X has almost 50% fewer parts than your diesel loader. There's no engine oil to change, no diesel exhaust fluid to buy, and it uses just 1 quart of eco-friendly coolant compared to the 50+ gallons of fluid in a standard rig. Your new maintenance routine? Just charge, grease, and go. And let's be honest, after 30 years in construction, our backs aren't what they used to be. Because there's no engine, there is 0 engine vibration in the cab, giving you a much smoother ride that saves your knees and lower back. Working a freezing morning? The 6,000-watt heating element gives you instant heat in the cab. No more sitting around freezing, waiting for the engine and hydraulics to warm up. Yeah, the upfront cost of the battery is a big investment, but if you want massive, instant power, 0 maintenance headaches, and to keep some serious cash in your pocket on fuel, the T7X isn't a toy. It's the future of getting the job done.